So Kabina writes, thank you so much for the advice, and of course I'm willing to cooperate to share. Willing to share while explore the two areas. Okay, great. Let us know how the two areas are related, Kabina. Would love to hear it. Okay, so Mike says, do you think certifications from AWS, Azure, Databricks still relevant nowadays? They can be, sure. I mean, depending on where you're going to go work, yeah. Also, just kind of depends on what you're learning in them. But as I've expressed before, in both my content and on some of these live streams, it's not always about the certifications, right? It's about you and your skills. So be careful about saying, well, I can't apply until I got this certification, or I really need this certification on my resume. You know, it's not always about that, right? It's about your skills, the way you exercise the scientific method, the way you're creative with data and with modeling.